Wait, before we start today's lesson, let me ask you a question. Have you been learning English for months or even years but still feel nervous when someone speaks to you in English?
That sounds exactly like me.
Then you're in the right place. Welcome to English Practice, the channel where we learn real English through simple conversations, real life situations, and daily speaking practice.
No boring grammar.
No boring grammar,
No complicated rules.
no complicated rules.
Then what are we learning?
Confidence. Because English is not about knowing every rule, it's about speaking, making mistakes, and improving every day.
I like that.
For the next 60 days, we'll learn English together from beginner to confident speaker. One lesson at a time, one conversation at a time.
So, if you're ready,
Let's start today's lesson. Hey Anjali, can I ask you something?
sure, Raj, what's up?
If you meet a new person today, can you introduce yourself in English?
Um, Honestly,
Really?
I know a few words, but when someone says, tell me about yourself, my brain completely stops working.
You're not alone.
Seriously?
Absolutely. Thousands of English learners know English words but freeze when introducing themselves.
That's exactly me.
Then today's lesson is perfect for you.
Please tell me there won't be complicated grammar.
Zero grammar.
Really?
Today we're just going to learn how to talk about the most important person in the world.
The most important person?
You.
Oh, I like this lesson already.
Good. Now imagine this.
Okay,
You're at a new office.
nice.
A friendly coworker walks up to you and says, "Hi, tell me about yourself."
Panic.
Total panic?
Complete panic.
Don't worry, I'll give you a secret formula.
I love secrets.
The formula is simple. My name is, I am, I live in, I like. That's it.
Wait,
What?
that's introducing yourself.
That's introducing yourself.
That sounds way easier than I expected.
Let's try it.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Anjali.
Great. How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Excellent. Where do you live?
I live in India.
Perfect. What do you like?
I like reading books and drinking coffee.
Congratulations.
What?
You just introduced yourself in English.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Wow, that actually feels good.
Now let's make it sound more natural.
Ooh, level 2.
Exactly. Listen carefully. Hi everyone. My name is Anjali. I am 22 years old. I live in India. I like reading books and drinking coffee. Nice to meet you.
That sounds like real English.
Because it is real English.
Can I try?
Go ahead.
Hi everyone. My name is Anjali. I am 22 years old. I live in India. I like reading books and drinking coffee. Nice to meet you.
Fantastic.
That wasn't scary at all.
Exactly. Most people think speaking English starts with advanced grammar.
Doesn't it?
No, speaking English starts with confidence.
I like that.
Let's practice another example. Imagine you're a student.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Anjali. I am a student. I am 20 years old. I live in Chhattisgarh. I like music and movies.
Perfect. Now imagine you're at a job interview.
Oh no, that's scary.
Don't worry. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Anjali. I work as a graphic designer. I live in Delhi. I enjoy learning English and meeting new people.
Excellent.
Wow!
See the pattern?
Yes!
Name,
Name,
age or job,
age or job,
location,
location,
hobbies.
hobbies.
That's your introduction.
This is actually easy.
Exactly. Now it's time for the challenge.
I knew a challenge was coming.
Introduce yourself in 20 seconds.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Anjali. I am 22 years old. I live in India. I like reading books and learning English. Nice to meet you.
Amazing.
I did it!
And if Anjali can do it, you can do it too.
Absolutely.
So, everyone listening right now, pause the video, stand up, and introduce yourself out loud.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Exactly.
And before you go, write your introduction in the comments.
We want to read it.
My name is,
I am.
I live in,
I like.
that's your homework.
And trust me, you can do it.
See you in lesson 2.
Goodbye, everyone.
Keep practicing English every day. Great job today.
Remember, don't just watch English, speak English.
Practice the lesson out loud and write your answer in the comments.
And if you enjoyed today's lesson,
Like the video and subscribe to English Practice.
we'll see you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing and keep speaking English.